Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, then you're in luck because I am making nature's drink and smoothie. This drink contains calories, protein, fiber, iron, riboflavin, vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, manganese, vitamin B6, calcium, potassium, magnesium. Wow! First, we wash our cabbage, we chop and set aside. We wash our beets, we chop and set that aside. Up next is our ginger and garlic. We wash, chop and set aside. We have our herbs to blend in powdered form. After blending all vegetables separately, we mix together for further blending to give us that smooth smoothie paste that we want and also enable us extract enough liquid. Yeah, I didn't use my juice extractor here because I want that fiber. I want to make smoothie out of this and also our drink. Up next, I have hot water in my herbs. I want to get the liquid extract from it. The smell is heaven, it's divine. Like this herbs is medicinal. This is my secret recipe. Then we extract the liquid from our herbs. My herbs actually. The dosage for this particular drink is 5 teaspoons of my herb extract for each bottle. Our nature drink is ready and our nature smoothie is ready. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below, and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.